To enable smart pop-up view notification for a certain app in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, scroll down the screen, tap notification and then tap advanced setting, tap floating notification and then select smart pop-up view. Next, tap included apps. As the example, we will enable this feature for WhatsApp. To do so, tap the gray on offset next to WhatsApp to enable this option. The switch turns blue when it's on. Know when you receive notification from WhatsApp. Your phone will display a floating icon that you can tap and expand in pop-up view. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.